Spiral to the center of the light, where sacred dreams and visions do abide. Awaken to